Well, let's see what we can do. It's gonna be a wet and cold ride home. Hopefully my GoPro doesn't die because I don't have a waterproof case. And I don't even think this accessory mount is waterproof either, so this GoPro is probably gonna die, but I do want to capture this. Let's go. It's only gonna be a handful of miles home. Fuck. I am already soaked. Patrick is soaking wet. How did he get so wet? I should have brought my poncho. Should have stole a poncho. It's okay, this is a learning experience, also known as death by rain or hypothermia. We only have to go 20 more miles in this bleeding rain. I don't even know if this bike is capable of riding in the rain. I'm so fucked. It's pouring. I'm gonna run this stoplight. My boots are gonna get soaked. Let's open up that choke. I don't think my bike really liked that very much. No, she did not. She did not like that at all. Well, she don't like puddles. I don't like puddles either. So I guess we're walking. This is fun. What do they call this? Character building exercise? I guess it's one way to build character. Come on, girl. Oh, the fuel's off. That'll probably do it, huh? Where's that petcock at? There it is. Oh my God. Come on, girl. Don't do this to me. I swear. I promise. We'll do good things after this. We'll do good things, I promise. My phone's soaked, I'm soaked. My helmet's soaked. I don't think you can tell how much it's raining right now. I hope you guys can really hear me. Oh God. I'm already wet, whatever. There's nothing to do. What am I gonna do, dry off? Fuck it, send it! Oh, there's so much water! False neutral. I should probably throw my high beams on. Nope, can't see anything. Now my boots are wet. This is what I call an adventure. Oh God! There's so much water. There's so much water. I'm definitely gonna need my boot dryer tomorrow. Ah! My lens is fogging up. I can't see anything. Let's talk about some life lessons, huh? Maybe it's a better idea to plan accordingly, or plan for the worst and hope for the best, because this is a really bad situation. This is something that nobody wants to get caught in, but we're in it. We're in it 100% now. There's no going back. I'm already soaked. Come on, little CT. Oh, I can't see anything. My freaking glasses. I can't afford to stall. Man, that rain stings. Let's just get home alive. How about that? How about that, little CT? We can do it. Oh, I'm starting to shiver now. This is probably not the worst weather that I've rode in, but this is definitely the worst feeling I've ever been while riding. And there is a difference, because I've rode in worse weather, but I was better equipped. Let's just hot dog it. Hot dog it as far as we can. We're doing good, little CT. We're doing good. Just me and you versus the world. My shoes are all squeaky. Alright, let's just think. All we gotta do is get home. We're more than halfway, I think. We're zooming. Oh no. Come on now. Come on, little bike. We got it. Okay, I thought I lost voltage there for a second. I'm surprised that I'm still setting off the sensors with this little bike. You're such a champion, little bike. You're a freaking champion. I'm just thinking about how warm I'm gonna be at home and how good this bike is doing. Yeah, I'm cold and miserable, and this is pretty painful, but you guys can't even probably hear this. So it is what it is. I hope you guys can hear this. You know, probably one of the coldest times I've ever been riding was when I first took my motorcycle, my CT90, from Monterey to Southern California. I left at 2 o'clock in the morning because I wanted to beat traffic, and I didn't want to get stuck in LA traffic on a bike that I didn't really know. So I got to just outside of Paso Robles, and I couldn't do it. My hands were so cold I couldn't feel them. I couldn't grip the throttle. So what I did is I pulled over and I let the bike run, and I warmed my hands up with the exhaust. And man, I waited for the sun to come up, and I just said, you know what? This is gonna suck no matter what, so I might as well just suck it up and do it. And that's what I did. I just hot dogged the last 3.5 or 4 hours. But this is definitely, I'm definitely making memories right now on this bike. I guess that's what's important, is making memories and being alive to tell them. Ooh, got a little squirrely there, bro. My shoes are soaked. I don't have a boot dryer at home either. I brought my boot dryer to the station. For those of you who are wondering, the best way to dry off your boots is, believe it or not, a boot dryer. You just stick your wet shoes and your wet gloves on them, and your wet socks, and dude, I had a sopping wet boot. Like literally, I was pouring water out of it. Like not just like a little amount of water either, but like a significant amount of water. And had my boots dry, bone dry, in like 7 hours or something like that. So, I'm definitely gonna be using that tomorrow. Sucks that I'm gonna have to bring in my wet boots, but I don't want them to get all mildewy. What sucks is I have a rain poncho at the station that I just remembered but it was too late. I was already soaked by that time. And green. Green. Turned green while I was through it, so that's fine. I'll take it. Oh. But yeah, I'm just trying to talk to keep myself sane. Because if you don't, you're going to go insane. Insane in the membrane. This thing still has better lights than the Bergman. And it's a 6-volt bulb. Oh, little bike, I love you. I thought I was going to sell you. I'm never going to sell you. Oh, this is just too great. We're almost home. My legs are cold now. Feels like pins and needles. I might have to pull my eyeglasses off because I can't see anything. Just squint through the rain. Oh, but I got nowhere to put them. Oh, yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. Gonna have to stash these in my pocket. Hopefully they don't fall out. The fire sounds nice right now. Whew, much better. It's blurry, but at least it's blurry on my own accord, you know? Of my own accord. I'm gonna tuck my head down so my visor at least catches a little bit of the rain before it hits me in the eyeballs. I'm sorry, the audio quality is probably gonna suck on this. Visor down. Now at least I'm just looking through one wet lens. And my glasses aren't gonna fog up because I'm not wearing them. I'm gonna put my headlight a little bit higher if I can. Some heated grips would be nice. And a heated seat. And 2 extra wheels. And some windshield wipers. Hell, I'll take it all. There's no such thing as fair weather riding on a CT90. You can't do that. Do you even ride? Oh, we're so close to home though. We have, I think, 3 more lights. 3 more lights and we're home. 40 minutes. 29 minutes. Actually, probably 30 with me. No one behind me. Nobody crossing. Oh, and I got the green. I couldn't stop if I wanted to. Oh. I think this is becoming a safety concern. Did a California stop this thing? Yeah, clear, clear, clear. This is just too awesome. Too awesome not to document. If I could push it home, or if I had to push it home from here, I would. You bet your ass I'd push this bike home after how far it's taken me. Oh yeah, we're so close. It's still sprinkling, but I'll take it. It's better than what it was in on Temecula. You deserve to go in the garage tonight, little girl. You earned it. You fucking earned it. We're nearly done. Nearly done. Oh, my hands and my legs. Oh, puddle. We did it. We fucking did it. This is the last stoplight. Woo! Oh, this little bike. You little magical thing. You guys probably didn't even hear any of that. Oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, hope you have a great day. And peace out. Oh.